dears, welcome to math class. Our title is using factorization to find the lowest common multiple. Now, what is the lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple the lowest common multiple of several the lowest common multiple of several algebraic the lowest common multiple of several algebraic terms the lowest common multiple of several algebraic terms is the smallest term, the smallest is the smallest term that can be fully divisible by the given terms, by the given terms. The lowest common multiple of several algebraic terms is the smallest term that can be fully divisible by the given terms. For example, find the lowest common multiple. Now we write the abbreviation of lowest common multiple. Find the lowest common multiple. Instead of lowest common multiple, we write LCM. L, the first letters of L, lowest L, common C, and multiple N. LCM means lowest common multiple. Find the lowest common multiple of 6 a to the power of 2, a to the power of 3, b to the power of 2, and comma 8 a to the power of 2, b to the power of 3. Now what we do, we first factor both of them, the numerical part and the literal part separately. The numerical part we all know how to factor them from the arithmetics. Now what we do, we write here 6 and 8. Now we start from the smallest divisible number. The smallest divisible or prime number is 2. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now again 2. We continue 2 by the time that at least one of these numbers is also divisible by 2. 3 itself, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Again 2, 3 itself, 2 divided by 1 is 2 is 1. Now we do the 3, 1 and 1. And that is equal to 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3 is 24. Now for the latter part, we do same, like a to the power of 3, b to the power of 2, and a to the power of 2, b to the power of 3. We start by the smallest one is a to the power of 2. Now, when the division, we subtract the powers. 3 minus 2 is 1, a to the power of 1, b to the power of 2, and here a to the power of 2 divided by a to the power of 2, 1 times b to the power of 2 is b to the power of 2, 3, b to the power of 3. Now we do again a divided by a is 1 times b to the power of 2 is b to the power of 2, and b to the power of 1 or b. And again now we do with the b to the power of 1. Now this is b to the power of 3. Now we do with the b to the power of 2, that is 1, and here remaining b. Now b to the power of 1, 1 and 1. It is equal to a to the power of 2 times a to the power of 1 is a to the power of 3, when b to the power of 2 times b to the power of 1 is b to the power of 3. A to the power of 3, b to the power of 3. Now, therefore, this one means therefore. Therefore, LCM, lowest common multiple, is equal to 24 a to the power of 3, b to the power of 3. The common multiple can be 6 times 4, 48, a to the power of 5, b to the power of 5, or 48 the a to the power of 4, b to the power of 4. But the smallest number, that this one, we can divide this one by this and this one by both of them. And also we in fractions, when we find the common denominator of the fractions, also the LCM, or lowest common multiple, it means that is equal to lowest, same as lowest common lowest common denominator. If someone tell us that find the lowest common denominator, the same as lowest common multiple. If someone says find the lowest common multiple, that is same as lowest common denominator. They are both the same meaning, have the same meaning. Okay, now I solve another example for you. Example. Find the lowest common multiple lowest common find the lowest common multiple of a minus 1 to the power of 2 and a to the power of 3 minus a. Now what we do, we factor this a minus 1 to power of 2 is equal to a minus 1 times a minus 1, and a to the power of 3 minus a is equal to, now between these two terms the a is common factor, is remaining a to the power of 2 minus 1. Now it is a, and a to the power of 2 minus 1 means a minus 1 times a plus 1 or positive 1. Now what is the LCM or lowest common multiple or common denominator? The LCM, lowest common multiple, is equal to, there is 8 minus 1 to the power of 1, but there is a minus 1 become a minus 1 to the power of 2, and also there is only one a, that is a times a, we take the highest one, minus 1 to the power of 2, and also a plus 1. From those that we have, we get the highest one, the big one, like a to the power a, there is a minus 1, but there is a minus 1 times a minus 1, that become a minus 1 to the power of 2. And from those numbers, there is just only one, like a, we take a, and a plus 1. Now the LCM, or lowest common multiple of this two expressions or two terms is a times a minus 1 to the power of 2 times a plus 1. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends, and please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a wonderful days and nights. Bye bye.